Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came to my father's village. Now we are on a jungle road close to nature. This is Galgamuwa and it's so far from Colombo. I see many wild animals here. Sometimes wild elephants come to this area. Look, there is a peacock here. I'm near a big lake. It's so big and beautiful. You need to see it too. I see it's beautiful. A beautiful paddy field is near the lake. Come with me. This place is very calm and peaceful. Look, there is a tree house. Let's climb it. Look, I'm on the tree house ladder now.